Well, Michael Perry is joining QVC as one of our resident gardening experts. We're very, very excited about this. Michael, for anyone who's never come across your work before, tell us a little bit about your background.
Well, I've been in the industry for more than 20 years, but I've been in gardening for more than 35 years. So ever since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, I was growing plants with my grandparents. I was selling plants when I was a teenager. When I went to college, then I was studying horticulture, so it was still in my blood. And then I had 18 years with a big mail-order plant company. So it's always been the thing that I was interested in, and I'm obsessed with plants of any shape and size, unusual plants, everyday plants. You know, it's just the perfect job for me, and I'm so pleased to be here.
What are you looking forward to seeing?
I'm looking forward to seeing a whole range of interesting products. So, you know, a lot of the brands that we've got here are looking for something that's a little bit unusual. So, you know, geraniums, which are bigger, bountiful plants, or lilies with different colors. So there's a whole range of things that you wouldn't find in the garden center.
Our customers have loads of great questions and pictures to share as well, and they can interact with you, can't they?
Absolutely. So I've got my website, mrplantgeek.com. I've also got my social media. Twitter is Mr_plantgeek. Instagram is the same, Mr_plantgeek, and also I'm on Facebook. So I answer customers as soon as I can. I also like to share my travels as well, because I'm lucky to spend time in the US, Japan, China. I also learn a lot from how they garden and see how we can bring that back to the UK. And so a lot of my influence is worldwide. It's looking for gardening shortcuts, extra tips, things that you can use out of your store cupboard at home in order to make gardening easier for yourself.
And of course, you can discover much more from the world of gardening here at QVC on our website. Just head to QVCUK.com.